Angkor Temples of Cambodia, an episode of series, Top UNESCO World Heritage Sites in Asia. Often mistaken as a single temple, Angkor is actually made up of hundreds of temple sites scattered across a 600 square mile area in Cambodia. Only a few of the Angkor temples have been restored. Meanwhile, the jungle quietly reclaims archaeological wonders and Buddha statues fit for museums. The vine-strangled bricks of Ta Prohm, one of the most iconic of the temples, served as the set for the movie Lara Croft, Tomb Raider. Constructed in the early 12th century, every inch of the Angkor temples are covered with detailed carvings depicting mysterious scenes, everything an adventurous traveler wants to see in Southeast Asia. Angkor Wat, the epicenter of this UNESCO World Heritage Site, is just 3 miles from the tourist town of Siem Reap. See, where is Angkor Wat? 1. Read 20 interesting Angkor Wat facts before you go. 2. See some Cambodia travel essentials and learn about visiting Angkor Wat.